Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Test Code Automate. So this is my 16th video for the Playwright with TypeScript series. In this video, I am going to cover how to handle radio button. Okay, so to handle the radio button, or you can say to click onto the particular radio button, you need to use this check method. Okay, and then we would be performing this assertion onto the radio button that specific radio button got checked or not. Okay, and how we can detect that which one is the radio button. So to do that, let me give you one example. Okay, so let's go to this practice site. Okay, so here this artoftesting.com we are going to use. I will provide this link also into the description. Okay, and for this site, once you scroll to the bottom for this page, okay, so here you would be able to see this radio button section. Okay, just inspect this any of the radio button. Okay, so see into the DOM also you would be able to see this input is the HTML tag for this radio button. Okay, and the type is the radio, right? So through this we will be able to detect that this is the radio button. Okay, and it will look like this. Okay, and these are the difference attribute and the value for the specific radio button. Okay, and as it is the group of two radio buttons, so the name of the radio button would be the same, right? For these two radio buttons, the name is gender. Okay, if there would be three, so all three of them the name would be the same. Okay, and we would be able to select any one of the radio button at a time, right? If I select the female, see male automatically got unselected. Okay, so now let's go to the Visual Studio Code to see the practical example that how we can check the radio button and can insert the assertion. Okay, so here I have already created one test file script which is handle radio button. Okay, where I have imported the test and expect from the Playwright test and used this test block to write our script. Okay, now let's go to this particular link. So await page dot go to. Okay, and then put this link here. Okay, and then we are going to create a locator, right, where we are going to perform the action. So page dot locator, and let's use this ID to detect this male radio button. Okay, so about this locator, how we can create the different locators, I have already talked. So go there that and watch this locator video. I will provide the link into the description also. And locator, and we are going to create this CSS selector with this hash. We are going to provide this ID, right? And let's store this locator which we created inside a variable. So in the JavaScript, what you can do, you can write this const and the variable name where you want to store that particular value, right? So here you can give any variable name. For now, let's give the male radio equals to and then that value. So here we are going to assign this locator inside this variable male radio, which is of constant type, right? So that we would not be able to change its value in future after the assignment. Okay, and let's check or click onto this male radio button. So for that, give the locator. Okay, this male radio, right? Here we saved this particular locator. We have not used this await because we are not using any method which is returning the promise, but here we are going to check it. So we will use this dot check method. Okay, and this check method, if you will mouse over, is going to return the promise. So that's why we are going to use the await keyword here, right? And now let's insert the assertion that this radio button got checked or not. So to do that, you need to use this expect. Okay, and inside this we would be passing that locator male radio. Okay, and then we are going to use this to be checked, right? So it will check that this radio button got checked or not, right? Okay, now let's run the script. So now it will open this link. Okay, and it will create this locator, and then it is going to check on that radio button, right? So see the link got open, it is scrolled, this check method is scrolled to this particular point and clicked onto this male radio buttons, right? So that's why it got checked. And see, our test also got passed because this assertion also got passed. It is able to see that this male radio button got checked. So now let's check this female radio button. Okay, so for this we are going to use this id again. Okay, and here you can give this await. Directly I am creating the locator and will perform action on it. Await page dot locator, right? And here you can give the same hash and the id value, and then use this check method. So for now we are not storing it inside the variable, directly we are using it, right? Here we stored the locator inside the variable and then perform the any action on it, right? Okay, so now this female will get checked. Okay, now let's again check this radio button is checked or not, right? And I told you, right, you would be able to select any one of the radio button at a time from the group, right? So if I select male, so this female got unchecked, right? And if I select this female, this male got unchecked. Okay, so this particular assertion will get failed because we just checked the female this radio button. Okay, and then we are again checking that this male radio button is checked or not. Okay, so it is not checked, so that's why this assertion will get failed. Let's run the script again. Let's close all the browsers. Okay, so now this assertion should get failed because it will check the male radio button. This assertion will get passed, then it will uncheck this male button because we are clicking onto this female button, right? And this assertion will get failed, right? We should be able to see that here. See, female got selected, but our test got failed, right? Because it is see, into the assertion we are able to see this particular locator, right? With the mail id is expected to be checked, but it is appearing as unchecked, right? Okay, so for now what we can do here, we can check here that this radio button should not be checked. So not you can give in between, right? Expect the locator dot not to be checked, right? So this male radio button should not be checked, and then in this case our assertion will pass. Okay, and all the assertion will get passed. Okay, and we should be able to see the passed result at the end of the execution. Okay, let me close all the browser before executing the script, and let's run the script. Okay, so it will open this link. It will check the radio button, and then it will check the female radio button. Okay, so see, it selected the male first, then female, and then we should be able to see the past result. It happened so quickly, right? So we were not able to see that male got selected first, and then female got selected through this line. Okay, and then these assertion also got performed. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this particular video. Let me give you the quick recap. Okay, so to select a particular radio button or to click on to the radio button, you need to use this check method. Okay, and to perform the assertion, you can use this to be checked. Okay, with the expect function to check that specific radio button is checked or not. Okay, and we at a single time we would be able to select a single radio button. Okay, so yeah, that's it from my end. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. If you have any comments, questions, or doubts, you can let me know into the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.